In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Yahoo Mail. Whether you're using a shared device or just want to ensure your account is secure, knowing how to properly log out is essential. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to open Yahoo Mail. Make sure you're logged in. It's always a good idea to double-check this step, especially if you're using a device that's shared with others. Signing out when you're done is crucial not only for your privacy but also for the safety of your personal information. So once you're certain you have access to your Yahoo Mail inbox, we're ready to move forward. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile picture or possibly your name displayed. This area serves as the hub for managing your account settings and preferences within Yahoo Mail. When you click here, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, I know it might show a variety of choices, but don't let that overwhelm you. We're focusing on just one specific task today, which is signing out of your Yahoo Mail account. Carefully scan through the options presented in this drop-down menu until you find the one labeled Sign Out. Clicking Sign Out initiates the process of securely logging you out of your email account. What happens next is that any active sessions will be terminated, and you'll be redirected to the Yahoo Mail login page. It's a good practice to verify that you've been properly signed out by checking that the login screen appears. With that, you've successfully completed the sign-out process. Now, this simple action isn't just about saying goodbye to your mail, it's actually part of maintaining the security and privacy of your personal information. By regularly signing out of your email, especially on shared devices, you help ensure that your email conversations and attachments remain confidential. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. You started by opening Yahoo Mail and confirmed you were logged in. Then, you navigated to the top right corner, clicked on your profile picture or name, and chose Sign Out from the drop-down menu. It's as simple as that. Remember, always sign out when you're finished, particularly if you're on a computer that others might use. And there you have it, a straightforward way to protect your Yahoo Mail account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for keeping your email secure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.